The main working part of the shredder is the shredding box, which is driven by two sets of shredder blades through rotating bearings, and the motor drives the reducer to rotate the bearing of the shredder blade group. The two sets of shredders rotate relative to each other, which can make the material fully processed by force. The equipment output is high, and the finished material can be processed at one time. It is a very popular energy-saving and environmental protection equipment. The choice of the two motors of the shredder and the reducer is also crucial. If the equipment is processed beyond the force that the shredder can withstand, it may cause damage to the equipment. Shredder is a kind of equipment that can shred materials by tearing, squeezing and shearing to reduce the size of materials to facilitate use in other industries. Mainly used for plastic, rubber, waste wood or paint use of recycled items such as buckets. The advantages of the shredder are: the equipment has a wide range of shredding, and basically all wood materials can be shredded, such as sawdust, wood scraps, wood blocks, straws, peanut shells, branches and wood chips. The advantages of the equipment itself: small power and high production capacity. The produced finished materials are very uniform. The equipment structure is simple. It is convenient for workers to operate and maintain, and it can be operated by one person. Make adjustments. The material shredder belongs to the technical field of waste disposal equipment, and includes a box body, two parallel and parallel main shafts in the box body, several blade groups that are sleeved and fixed on the main shaft and arranged at intervals, and a coupling that is sequentially connected to the main shaft drive-in. It is characterized in that each blade group is composed of two superimposed blades. A washer is arranged between adjacent blade groups to space the blade groups from each other, and the blade groups on the two spindles are staggered. It can tier rebar about 5 Ah specification and thin plate about 5 毫米, which greatly increases the shredding range of the material source of the shredder. In addition to plastic and rubber products, household electrical appliances and items are basically within the scope of shredding, and they occupy a small area and have low production costs. Working principle. The plastic shredder is composed of 4 parts: shredding mechanism, bracket, recycling box and cart. The size of the equipment is determined by the size of the material and the amount of material handled. A filter screen device is designed inside. When the plastic shredder works normally, the filter screen plays the role of separating materials and liquids, and effectively recycles the liquid remaining on the bottle. For example, when crushing gasoline bottles, it can effectively separate and recycle residual gasoline,